this box like this, gonna close it up.
Whoa!
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Watch the card.
And float through midair. See the link together.
Watch. Oh, magic! I am your host, Devonera. Today we're exploring 10 magic toys and gadgets.
T-O-Y. Toy.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! This first magic toy creates a fascinating optical illusion. Check it out. Okay, V, I have a really cool thing to show you with this magic wand right here. It's got these little ribbons on it.
Yes, I'm excited to see this.
Okay, watch the magic wand.
Okay. Whoa! It looks like a bubble.
Isn't that cool?
Wow! Wow, that's so pretty! And the star on top.
Here, let's turn off the lights. It looks really cool in the dark.
Oh, really? Wow! That is so cool. I'm like mesmerized.
It looks even cooler if you look right at it.
Wow, that's so pretty!
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. The secret to pulling this one off is a hand drill, and you're going to need one of these magic wands. Super cool. It's just a bunch of ribbons like this. They're all connected at the top right here, and then you can actually turn this on, and there's a little LED light right here. Then when you engage the drill, it will begin to spin just like this, causing the ribbons attached to it to spin along with it, and it creates the illusion of a bubble. Because the ribbons are spinning so fast, it looks like one solid object, and when you do it in the dark, it looks super cool because these little LED lights reflect off of the ribbons, making it look even more like a bubble. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a special giveaway if you want to win the magic wand. Here's a cool trick with a popular toy that you can try out yourself. Check it out. This is called a fidget stick. There are a lot of different names for it, but it is basically just a piece of wood. It's balanced and weighted, and the entire idea is to flip it and get it to land like that. But if you set it on an escalator and you get it just right, it'll flip end over end like indefinitely. Just keep spinning just like this. Is crazy. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a special giveaway. Here's a fun magic trick toy that you can fool your friends and family with. Okay, I have a cool magic trick to show you with my magic box. I also have a magic sash here.
That's pretty.
See, it's like a little drawer.
Yes.
So if you would put the magic sash inside the magic box.
Okay.
That, perfect. Okay, watch. We're gonna close the box up just like this.
Okay.
I snap my fingers and you wave your hand over it. Do me a favor, wave your hand over it. Perfect, just like that. You can see the sash actually disappears inside the box just like that.
Oh,
All you have to do is close it, snap, and magically return.
Are you serious? What? I stuck my hand in it.
Want to know the secret? Here's how it's done. The secret to this one is all found in the magic box itself. This is a false drawer. It's like a double drawer. You can see there's a little drawer inside the bigger one that when you slide this in, on the flip side, there is a little cut out piece just like this, that when this drawer slides in, you can put your finger right here to hold the inner drawer just like this, so that when you slide it out, the inner drawer is maintained inside the box and the outer drawer slides open to appear like it's empty. So you can load the colorful sash or whatever it is you want to vanish into this box just like this, close up the drawer, pull it out, and it looks like the magic sash has just disappeared. To make it reappear, all you do is slide the drawer back in, slide the drawer out, and the sash magically reappears. It's super easy to do. It can be used to vanish really anything that'll fit inside this box. You can take a deck of cards, put it in the box, say a magical word, and the cards completely vanish just like that. Cool idea for this for a card trick is you could have somebody pick a card, you could like force a card on them, and then take the deck, put the entire deck inside the box just like this, and make it so that only their card remains inside the box. It's a fun little magic toy. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to win this cool trick. Here's a cool new magic gadget that's super lit. Okay, this is a really cool magic toy. I guess it's kind of more like a gadget, but it's a special type of light bulb. So check this out when I turn it on.
Oh. Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
That's amazing. Yeah, let me see. Wow. How cool is that?
So it's actually an LED light bulb. It's a special type of light bulb. It's not hot to the touch or anything like that. That looks just like fire. The LEDs inside it flicker in such a way, and they cycle through a different like sequence that makes it look like flames are inside the light bulb. So it's a really cool thing to use on Halloween, or just to kind of create the effect that, you know, you want like a kind of spooky atmosphere. Super cool magic toy. It casts like a really cool orange light too. Fire light bulb. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm giving away one of these bulbs to a lucky comment in the comment section. Here's another cool light up magic toy that's sure to brighten your day. Check it out. I have a really cool book to show you, so check this out.
Whoa. Oh, that's amazing.
So it's really cool. There's actually a light inside this book, and it's not really a book. It's more like a lamp.
Yeah, I love it.
It's kind of like an accordion. So this is all paper in here, and they're kind of woven together, and there's some lights inside that are triggered to open whenever the book opens. So all you do is open it up like this.
Oh, I love it.
You can actually open it all the way like this.
Wow.
And it kind of turns into like a paper lantern. Like
That's so cool. Yeah, lay it on its side.
It's like a great night light. Just leave it partially open like this if you want. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a special giveaway. You can win the magic book lamp. Here's a fun way to bring some comedy to a formal occasion. Check it out. Okay, I have a cool thing to show you with my tie. So check this out. It's a magic tie. It's actually a magic power tie.
Okay.
So check this out. All you have to do is say a magic word, and the tie kind of like does something cool. So like hold your hands like this, kind of like towards the tie.
Okay, what's the magic word?
The magic word is abracadabra.
Of course it is. Okay, I'm ready.
Go ahead, whenever you're ready.
Abracadabra. Oh my gosh! Do I still have to hold my hands up? That is so
Keep holding your hands up. Keep holding your hands up.
Okay. Whoa!
Go right back down.
That's crazy! I have magic too.
Okay, here is the secret to the magic pop-up tie prank. Okay, here is the secret to the magic pop-up tie trick. So the secret is all found in the tie itself. This is called the pop-up tie. It's a little metal bar right here that runs along the back of the tie just like this, taped in place. And then there's a secret thread that runs down through my shirt. And as you pull down on the thread, the tie will raise up. Kind of like a rudimentary pulley system. As you pull down on the thread, the tie just raises up because this little lever has that tension on it from the thread. It's just a fun little prank that you could add to a magic routine or just to liven things up at the office. Stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to win the pop-up tie. Here's a cool magic gadget that's built into your clothes. Check it out. Okay, cool card trick to show you. A bunch of different cards in this deck, yeah?
Yeah.
See, they're all different. So check this out. I'm gonna riffle down the side of the pack. You say stop whenever you feel it, okay?
I like this one. Stop!
Right there. Okay, take a look at the card. Show them.
Okay. Don't look.
Put it back in the deck wherever you want. Got it? Okay. Card goes in. Watch, all I do is snap my fingers and the magic is already done. If you would, do me a favor and turn the light off over there.
Oh my god.
Right over there, yeah.
That's so cool! I did! That's my card, that's my card. That's exactly what it was.
Is that it?
You are so very right. Yes! That is the coolest thing I've ever seen! What? How did you do that? That is the coolest thing. I want one.
So this is a really special shirt. The magic is actually all built into the design of this shirt, and it comes with a very special laser pointer that's actually a UV light, and you can write different messages on the shirt. Or it comes with this one that makes it a little bit broader. The name of the company that makes these shirts is IA, which stands for Illuminated Apparel. Illuminated Apparel. They sent me this shirt. It's super cool. So check them out, Illuminated Apparel, and get one of these shirts. You can do some really cool magic with it, and it's just really fun to play with too. So we're actually going to write the name of a card on the shirt, and then we're going to force that card on the person, and then we're going to reveal it using our shirt. Now that we have our message written on, we can turn on the lights, and the message will be invisible until we turn off the lights again, and then we can reveal it. So as you can see with the lights on, this looks plain white. But then when we turn the lights off, you can see the message is revealed. Here's a classic magic toy that makes the perfect party trick. Take a look. Okay, watch the Coke can. If I just turn a song on my phone.
Baby, I like you so.
The secret to the dancing Coke can is actually all found in the can itself. This was actually a toy that Coke put out years ago. I think this was out like when I was a kid, but it reacts to sound. So all you have to do is snap, or clap next to it, or put on some music and it'll look like the can is dancing.
That's cool. Oh, that's awesome.
There's a little microphone right here, that's how it receives the sound. And inside the Coke can are some little mechanical actuators. And the sides of it are actually made of flexible, kind of flimsy plastic material like this so it can move back and forth. And of course it's battery powered here on the bottom with an on and off switch, so you can make it dance whenever you want. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm gonna give away the dancing Coke can to one lucky viewer. Another cool magic toy coming up next. Okay, so I've got some of our magic floating ball tricks from the shop here.
I see.
It's like a magic blowpipe. You take it like this.
Whoa. You do.
And the ball will magically float just like that. It's super easy to do. Anyone can do this trick. If you can exhale and blow outwards, you can try this magic trick at home. So stay tuned to the end of the video. This is going to be a giveaway prize as well. But I'm going to try to do like a magic challenge here, okay? And see how many of these I can do at once.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously? No way. Oh my god! I did a great job! I did not think that was gonna work. Are you kidding? 5? Seriously? Are you gonna do it? Wow! That's amazing.
So there's a really simple design and secret behind these. They're super cool. It's a great little science trick because it's actually using something called Bernoulli's principle, and that's what's making this plastic ball float. When that moving stream of air comes up through this pipe, what you're doing is you're blowing into this, the air's coming up out of it and forcing the ball upward. So that moving stream of air creates a lower pressure system around the ball, and it allows that ball to just look like it's floating right there in midair, and you can actually even move it kind of sideways like this.
Whoa.
Kind of even float out like this. It's really cool. So pick one up at evanairtv.com. We have these available for worldwide shipping. So you can pick a few of them up, try them out at home, see how many you can do. And if you don't have one, stay tuned to the end of the video. We're giving these away to lucky comments in the comment section down below. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it as well. We do have the magic floating ball tricks available now at evanairtv.com. We have a lot of other cool magic toys, magic tricks, magic pranks, and Laugh at Life gear available at the link down below. That is evanairtv.com. We have international shipping available on everything in the shop, and we do all of our fulfillment in-house. Everything's packed up by us. It's a family business. Thank you for all your support. evanairtv.com is the perfect place to get gifts for the holidays. We've got specials popping up all the time and new items being added almost every week, so be sure to keep checking back to the site for all the new exclusive merch. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic toys and gadgets from this video. So if you want to win the spinning magic ribbon wand, some magic fidget sticks, the magic vanishing box, a magic flame bulb, the light up book lamp, a pop-up tie prank, the magic glowing shirt, the magic Coke can, or the magic levitating ball trick, leave a comment in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win our giveaway is hit the thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section and be subscribed to Evanair TV. Do those 3 things, you will be eligible to win some of these magic toys so that you can perform these amazing illusions at home. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Send an email with your full mailing address to this email address and be sure to include the giveaway that you want. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments below. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, you can catch up by watching it right over there. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. Click the subscribe button if you're new and tap our notification bell so you see all of our videos. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.